In this video, I'll teach you how to import multiple products in Wix. Start by going to the dashboard of your website, and from here go to catalog over here, store products, and click on products right here. Now from here you need to go ahead and click on more actions up here, and then you click on import right here. And now the thing is that you can go ahead and choose to download a template if you haven't already gotten one. So go ahead and download this CSV file here. You can do it as a blank or with your current product. So these are sample products on my current website right here. So if you want to see kind of what kind of information you need to put into different fields, I would recommend choosing this option down here with the current sample products here. And that would look like something like this when you open it in Excel. And as you can see, you can click around and see what these different things mean. You can even go ahead and click away from this and go on a specific product to see what all of these different things means once you have this CSV file. But basically, once you've done this, you could go ahead again, click more options, import, and you could go ahead and download the blank document here, which will be this without any of the additional information. And once you've done that, you can go ahead and add all of this different information, save it as a CSV file again, and then you can go ahead and click upload right here, upload CSV file. Just choose a file from your PC like this and click continue down here. And now when I click import 12th product, I would import all of these products once again. In this case, I'm not going to do it just for the purpose of this tutorial, but just go ahead and click import 12 products here, and then you're going to have all of the products that you just imported. So that's pretty much how you can import multiple products at once in Wix. Please let me know if you have any other questions in the comment section below, and I'll try my best to help you out.